Alright, so we know that there are actually two systems for measuring angles. Okay, the two systems for measuring angles. Okay, and what are these two systems for measuring angles? Okay, you can measure in radian or degrees. Okay, so radian can easily be converted to degrees, and degrees can be easily converted to radian. But really, what is a radian? Let me illustrate this. So if you have a circle with center O, okay, this is A and this is B, your radius is R, this is O, and this is the arc length AB is also R. Okay, a radian is actually defined as, okay, 1 radian, okay, or a radian is the measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle, okay, by an arc whose length is equal to that of the radius. So 1 radian is when OA, okay, is when the arm OA moves an arc length of r centimeters or r units, okay, and this arc length, which is r, is also equal to the radius, and when that happens you get 1 radian. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, when the radius of the circle is equal to the arc length, okay, and the arm OA moves an arc length of r which is equal to that of radius, you get 1 radian as the angle AOB. Alright, so there's actually a formula to convert radians to degrees and degrees to radians. Okay, so this is something you have to remember. Pi radians equals to 180 degrees. Now in actuality, people just write pi rad. Okay, rad is the abbreviation for radian. Okay, so pi rad is equals to 180 degrees. So if you divide both sides by pi, okay, what you get is 1 rad. So 1 rad is equals to 180 over pi. Now let me just, everyone press your calculator, take 180, divide by the calculator value of pi. What you get is 57.3 degrees to 1 decimal place. Alright, so 1 radian is approximately, okay, I should have put the approximation sign here, it's approximately 57.3 degrees. Okay, so what about 1 degree? 1 degree is how many radians? So once again, you can actually derive pi rad equals to 180 degrees. You divide both sides by 180. Okay, and then what you get is 1 degree equals to pi over 180 radians. Okay, so you use this to actually formulate your, you know, your calculations. All right, and okay, let's say if you asked to convert 30 degrees into radian mode, so convert 30 degrees into radians. So what do you do here? You know that pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. You know that 1 degree is equals to pi over 180 radian. Okay, so 30 degrees has to be 30 times pi over 180 radian. Okay, so 30 degrees equals to, now you divide by 30, you get 1, divide by 30, you get 6. So 30 is equals to pi over 6 radians. Alright, so this is how you do it.